Hi planner friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy and you're watching Little Star Plans. Today we are setting up our weekly page in our supplement planner, which is this one here. And we're setting up this 22nd week, and I think last week we're done. And I'm going to show you how I'm using our very first design kit for the Hobonichi Supplement Planner. Super excited. Here are the two sheets that you can decide to go for one sheet or the second sheet depending on your needs. Especially when for this planner it's so small and so functional, you don't really need too much stickers. So I show you how I use it and let's get started. Oh, and I forgot to mention, don't forget to drink more water. Here's my ice water. So make sure you drink more water and stay hydrated. Alright, and I think that's it for now. I'm gonna stick to this layout, and I do have lots of stickers remaining that I could use for when it comes to planning this week's spread again. And for now, I'll just leave the stickers for next time. This is my current setup for the 22nd week. It looks so nice and clean, and I do have tons of stickers left over that I could use for next time, for when I start planning out and writing my plans out. But this is what it looks like. I hope you enjoy it, and also don't forget to like and subscribe for more planning related videos like this, and I'll see you next time. Bye planner friends.